If your Hollyland A1 microphone was not connecting to your phone, I show you how you need to fix. So the very first thing is you just turn on the microphone. Just long press the button, then it will be turned on. You can see the blue light. Now take the receiver end and connect to your phone. Just like that. And if you turn on, it will not turn on like this. So even if you open the app, you won't see any pop-ups. So it's still not find. So what you have to do means it's same for all Android phones. Open settings, click the search and type OTG. Open this and turn on this toggle. Now turn on, yeah, you can see, okay, it's turned on automatically. That's it. Now if I open the app, Hollyland app, you can see the datas, everything. Mic 1 were turned on and 55% of battery. So that's it. This is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Hollyland, you need to watch this playlist.